important tip to keep your memory very sharper is nothing but it is memory maps. You can create your own memory maps for each and every topics. Okay. Suppose if you find the tough concept or tough topic to memorize, you can easily draw your own memory maps in order to have a better long memory. Okay. See, for example, so I will teach you some example. Okay. For example, we see optical isomerism. Okay. So that is a very important topic in class 11. So optical isomerism. So optical isomerism is nothing but it is a type of stereoisomer. It is nothing but it is a type of stereoisomer. Okay. And then this optical isomer is nothing but it is having optical isomerism exists in an atoms which is having same molecular formula and same bond connectivity. These are all same. But how it differ? So it differs only in what is optical isomerism? Molecular formula, bond connectivity, everything is same, and then physical and chemical properties also same. So physical and chemical properties also same, but it differs in how it differs. It differs in spatial arrangement. Okay. So what is the spatial arrangements? Arrangement of atoms. Okay. Spatial arrangements, it differs. Okay. How? There is a central metal atom. Okay. Say for example, carbon is the central metal atom. Carbon is the central metal atom, and then here so all the atoms, for example, CH3, H, OH, like that. So here, this is central metal atom. 4 different kinds of atoms are joined over here, right? So say for example, we can join here like CH3, CHO, H and OH, for example. Okay. So here 4 different kinds of atoms are joined over here. Say for example, it is nothing but it is an enantiomers. For example, this is chiral atom. So no symmetry is carried over here. Here, carbon atom is a chiral atom. Suppose if you keep this in a mirror, the mirror image does not superimpose each other. Suppose if you keep the fingers like this in a mirror, then you will be getting the same mirror image which is superimposed together. The mirror image and the original object superimposed together, right? But here, since the central carbon atom is surrounded by 4 different atoms, in turn its mirror image does not superimpose together. So asymmetry is here. So this is nothing but asymmetrical carbon atom or chiral atom. Okay, this carbon atom is said to be chiral atom. Say for example, here we may see 4 different kinds of atoms. Okay, see for example, A, B, C, D. Okay, suppose if the carbon atom contains all the surrounded atoms, so the central metal atom is surrounded by same atoms, then superimposed together. Okay, the mirror image gets superimposed together. Then symmetry is there, and that atom is named as achiral atom. So achiral atom is nothing but it is surrounded by same atoms. So chiral, achiral atom is surrounded by same 4 atoms. Okay. So this is achiral. There is a symmetry between the mirror image of this that superimposed together. But here it doesn't superimpose together. Okay, so asymmetry takes place over here, and that atom is named as chiral atom. Same way, it is nothing but we can categorize this carbon atom, central atom as chiral and achiral, and then this optical isomerism can said to be, it is nothing but what is the optical isomerism? It rotates. Since the name itself has the meaning, it rotates in the plane polarized light. Okay? If it rotates the plane polarized light, if it rotates the plane polarized light, if it rotates the plane polarized light, in an anti-clockwise direction. That is, what is clockwise direction? Right side, right? The clock, okay, turns right side, like this, okay? If it rotates the plane polarized light in a clockwise direction, then that is said to be a positive direction or dextro-rotatory. Okay, positive, dextro-rotatory or D. Okay, it is nothing but dextro-rotatory clockwise rotation. If it rotates the plane polarized light in the left side anti-clockwise direction, then you can use different colors for memory maps. Also, the colorful presentation will give you a best different environment. Best environment for your studies. Okay. See. I repeat this. This is an optical isomerism. It is nothing but what is optical isomers? It is having the same molecular formula, bond connectivity, physical and chemical properties, and then it differs only in the spatial arrangement of atoms. Okay. And then it is a type of stereoisomer. Okay. It is a type. What type it is? Stereoisomerism. Okay. And then what is optical isomerism? It rotates. It is the isomer which rotates in the plane polarized light. Which rotates in the plane of plane polarized light. Which rotates in the plane of plane polarized light. Okay? Say for example, so here, what is this? We can categorize this optical isomerism into dextro-rotatory and levo-rotatory. If it rotates the plane polarized light in the clockwise direction, it is said to be dextro-rotatory. It is if it is in the anti-clockwise direction, it is levo-rotatory. And then it is chiral atom. It is nothing but, so chiral atom is the central atom which is surrounded by 4 different atoms. So if you compare with the mirror image, it doesn't superimpose. So it is said to be asymmetric. So achiral atom is nothing but the central atom surrounded by the same atoms, different kind of atoms. It's not there, same atoms, and the symmetry exists over there. If you compare with the mirror image, it gets superimposed. So it is said to be achiral atom. Just like that, you can construct or you can create memory maps for each and every concept while you are studying. Actually, நீங்கள் படிக்கும்போது அப்படியே ஒரு புக்கில் இருக்கிறத ஒரு 10 pages அந்த மாதிரி இருக்குன்னா நீங்கள் ஒரு சிங்கிள் பேஜில் நீங்கள் என்ன பண்ணலாம், அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு மெமரி மேப்ஸ் எழுதலாம். ஸோ நான் கீழே வந்து டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷன் பாக்ஸில் வந்து நான் மெமரி மேப்ஸோட இம்பார்ட்டன்ஸ் பற்றி நான் உங்களுக்கு ஆல்ரெடி நான் ஒரு வீடியோ போட்டிருக்கேன். அந்த வீடியோட லிங்க் நான் இதில் ஜாயின் பண்ணுறேன். ஆக்சுவலாக என்னென்னா மெமரி மேப்ஸ் பண்ணும்போது will be more useful for you. மெமரி, அதுக்கு பேர் மெமரி மேப்ஸ் தான் நம்ம சொல்கிறோம். ஒரு 4 or 5 pages அல்லது 10 pages கூட நீங்கள் ஒரே பேஜில் என்ன பண்ணலாம், கம்பரைஸ் பண்ணலாம். ஸோ அதை வந்து உங்களுக்கு ரீகால் பண்ணுறதுக்கு ஒரு ஹிண்ட் மாதிரி நீங்கள் யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஓகே.